how to modify the email on my contact form. So here, as you can see, I have my form, and I would like to change the email to put my institutional email. So all the users that send me the information, it's going to arrive the information to an email. I want to change that email. So how I change it, I click on the component, I'm gonna click on edit, and as you can see, the first one, it's the email. So that's my personal email. I'm gonna change it for my institutional email. Make sure there is not a space, and then you write it down, you click OK, and that's how you change the email for the form of your users.